In a time when gods and mortals shared the world and celestial forces governed the balance of life, the heavens were ruled by Amaterasu, the radiant sun goddess. Her light was the very breath of existence, a golden lifeline that bathed the earth in warmth and vitality. Yet even the brightest light can cast a shadow, and it was her sibling, the tempestuous and unpredictable Susanoo, who would bring calamity upon the world. The land of the rising sun was a tapestry of lush forests, serene rivers, and towering mountains that pierced the sky like the blades of celestial swords. The gods resided in Takamagara, the high plane of heaven, a realm that shimmered with ethereal beauty. Mortals below revered the gods, offering prayers and rituals to ensure harmony between heaven and earth. Amaterasu's golden chariot traversed the heavens daily, and with her luminous presence, the cycles of life flourished. Crops grew tall, rivers danced with light, and humanity thrived under her watchful gaze. Amaterasu was a goddess of great grace and compassion, beloved by gods and mortals alike. Her brother Susanoo, however, was a force of chaos, a whirlwind of emotion and defiance. Though capable of great strength and bravery, Susanoo's impulsive nature often led him astray. Consumed by envy and resentment, he longed to usurp his sister's dominion. For in her brilliance, he saw a reflection of his inadequacies, a burning reminder of the shadow he cast. The rift between the siblings deepened when Susanoo, in a reckless display of power, wreaked havoc in Amaterasu's sacred domain. He tore through the heavens with the fury of a storm, uprooting the harmony she had cultivated. The final blow came when Susanoo defiled her heavenly rice fields and cast a dead horse, a sacred creature, into her weaving hall, causing chaos and destruction. Amaterasu, overcome with grief and humiliation, retreated into a cave, sealing herself away from a world that no longer felt deserving of her light. Darkness fell upon the earth like a suffocating shroud. Without Amaterasu's radiance, the heavens wept and the earth descended into despair. Crops withered, rivers grew stagnant, and mortals wandered aimlessly, their spirits crushed by the absence of the sun. Even the gods were powerless in the face of such desolation. Takamagara grew dim, and the celestial balance teetered on the brink of collapse. In their desperation, the gods convened to devise a plan to lure Amaterasu from her self-imposed exile. They knew that no force could compel her to emerge. Only the spark of curiosity or joy could draw her from the depths of her sorrow. Together, they orchestrated a grand spectacle outside the cave. The goddess of mirth, Aim-no Yuzum, began a wild and raucous dance, her movements uninhibited and filled with ecstatic energy. Her laughter rang out like chimes in the wind, and the gods joined in, creating a cacophony of merriment that echoed through the heavens. Curiosity flickered within the heart of Amaterasu as she heard the commotion. Could there truly be joy and light in a world without her? She approached the entrance of the cave, her golden light piercing through the cracks like the first rays of dawn. The gods, anticipating this moment, had placed a mirror at the cave's mouth. As Amaterasu peered out, her own radiant reflection greeted her, its brilliance undiminished by the darkness she had endured. In that instant, Amaterasu realized that her light was not just a gift she bestowed upon the world. It was an intrinsic part of her being, an unyielding force that could never truly be extinguished. Emboldened by this revelation and moved by the gods' efforts, she stepped forth from the cave, her radiance flooding the heavens once more. The earth rejoiced, and the celestial balance was restored. The tale of Amaterasu's cave is one of resilience and the enduring power of light. It reminds us that even in our darkest moments, our inner radiance can prevail. The story also speaks to the importance of unity and harmony, as it was the collective efforts of the gods that brought about renewal. As Amaterasu resumed her journey across the heavens, her light not only illuminated the world, but also inspired hope and renewal in the hearts of all who dwelled beneath her gaze. And so, the sun goddess continued her eternal dance across the sky, a timeless reminder of the triumph of light over darkness, harmony over discord, and resilience over despair. In her radiant glow, the world found its rhythm once more, and the story of her exile and return became a treasured tale passed down through the ages, a beacon of hope for all who hear it.